Oh, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use chase alerts. So let's get straight into the video. So for setting up chase alerts, what you want to do is to first sign into your Chase online banking account, and then you want to click on the account management tab and select alerts, and then you want to choose the type of alert that you want to receive, such as account balance, transactions, or payment alerts. And here are the types of chase alerts. So you could have account balance alerts. You could receive alerts when your bank account falls below a certain threshold. For transaction alerts, you're going to receive alerts when transactions are made on your account, such as purchases or withdrawals. And for a payment alert, you're going to receive alerts when payments are due or have been made. And also you're going to receive security alerts. You can receive alerts when suspicious activities is detected on your device. Now you can also customize these chase alerts. You can choose how you want to receive alerts, such as you can choose email, text message, or push notifications. You could also set the threshold for when alerts are triggered, such as when your account falls below a certain amount. You could always set to give off an alert. Now you could also customize alert the messages. So you could just customize the message that you're going to receive for each of these alerts. You could always you have the freedom to do that on the Chase app. Now for using chase alerts, here there are a couple of things for you guys to take note of. The first is receive alert based on your customized preferences, and then also take action based on the alerts that you receive, such as transferring funds to avoid overdraft, and also monitor your account activities regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. Now there are so much benefit to using chase alert. I'm just going to state a couple of them. The first, of course, is to stay on top of your account activities by receiving these alerts, and just going to keep you well informed. The second, of course, is to avoid overdraft. So you set up alerts to notify you when your account balance is low. And then you can also benefit from detecting suspicious activities, because you're going to receive alerts when suspicious activities are detected on your accounts. And also you can always customize your alerts to fit your financial needs. So these are a few of the benefits you're going to enjoy from using chase alerts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did,